Linktree tutorial, how to set up Linktree step by step. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and for today's video, I will be showing you a Linktree tutorial and also show you the step by step how you can set up your account and use this software. So first, let's discuss an overview about Linktree. So what is Linktree? Linktree is a tool that allows you to share multiple links on social media, but it rose to prominence on Instagram. This is because Instagram does not allow you to share web links anywhere apart from stories and in the bio section of your profile page. With this software, you can attach all your links in just one landing page. So basically, what this software do is that you can create a simple landing page that hosts multiple links. You then pop the links to this landing page in your Instagram bio in order to drive traffic to specific areas of your site. So for example, in your one landing page, you attach all your links there for your Facebook account, for your blog website, for your online store, and any other links you have in just one landing page so that your followers can just click one link and they have all the links that you have in your one landing page. So to get started, first visit their website, Linktree, that is linktr.ee, and this is their homepage, as you can see here. I like their homepage. And also you can sign up for free. So they have a free plan as well. So just click on sign up free button. And to create an account for free, just provide your Linktree username. I suggest that you will be using your business name for this one. And then you enter your email and create your own password. And click this box over here to agree to their terms and condition. And then just click on sign up with email for you to create an account. Let me just fill out this form very quickly. Bear with me for a moment. After you sign up, you just need to complete these steps here. So first, tell us about yourself. So you just need to provide your name here and then click on continue. And here, select one category that best describe your Linktree. So here you can share the business industry of your business. So you have here business, creative, education, entertainment, fashion and beauty, food and beverage, government politics, health and wellness, and many more. So let's just say I have here business. So here, pick your business categories. So it can be agency and consulting, automobiles, craft, financial services, and many more. So just complete this process and then click on continue. So next, pick your plan. Connect your audience to everything that you do. So here are their different plans. So they have the free plan, the starter for $5 per month. They have the pro plan for $9 per month, the premium for $24 per month. And these are the key features that will be covered under each plan. So let's just say I will go ahead and select the free plan just to show you how you can create an account successfully and also show you the basic use of this platform. So I will go ahead and click on get free. Thanks for signing up. Continue to my Linktree. So just give me a moment. And here's our dashboard now. It's still loading. So bear with me. All right, so here's our dashboard now here. So here we have a message to publish your profile. Please verify your account by clicking the link we've sent to your email. So let's go ahead and visit our email inbox to verify the verification link. So here's the verification link. I will just go ahead and click on verify email to verify my email to Linktree. And with that, we successfully verified our account. So just click on sign in to continue. All right, so we'll be redirected to our Linktree admin dashboard. So let me just close this one here. All right, so we have our welcome to Linktree guide here. So first we need to create your link first and then add your Linktree everywhere. It can be in your Instagram profile or anywhere you like, and then update your profile image and the theme. So let's go ahead and click on create your first link. So add a new link. So here you can name the link that you have here. For example, for my business, it's gonna be Keith Works. And then you can add the URL here. I will go ahead and attach my website here for my follower to visit my website. And you can also add a new link for your Facebook account, or you can also add a new link for your YouTube channel, or if you have a promotion, you can also add a link here for your promotion or for your special event. You just need to name it and then attach the URL for that specific activities, event, sales promotion, or to your other social media account like your Facebook, your TikTok, your LinkedIn, or your Twitter. And over here, you can see your my Linktree. This is the URL that you need to attach to your Instagram profile. So you can just copy this one, or you can share this one and paste it to your Instagram profile so that your followers can just click one link, and then in this one link you have the landing page for all the link in your social media. You can have the link of all your promotions, your events, your other social media platforms in just one landing page. So that's how this software works and can help you with your multiple links. So this software is really helpful if you have different links for your sales promotion, for an event, for your other social media platform, because you can only create one landing page and you can attach all your links in just one landing page, just like this. This is the landing page look like on mobile device. So you can customize the appearance or the design of this landing page of yours. So you just need to go to your appearance. So under your appearance is where you can edit or change the landing page design. So as you can see, you also have your themes here for the design. So you have free designs here. And this is the simple design that I have. So I only have one link here. This is the link. So you can have multiple links here if you added multiple links on the links tab. So for now, I only have one here, but if you added multiple, also add the different links here, and this is the name of my links. So this also will be your landing page look like when your followers will click on this link from your bio or profile on Instagram. So you can also customize your own design, or you can make use of the paid design here, but this is only available for upgrade plan. So up here, you can also pick an image to add here on your landing page. And also you have your analytics here. So under your analytics is where you can see your lifetime analytics, the number of views, the number of clicks, the number of CTR, and revenue you got from the landing page that you created here on Linktree. So also your activity here, and the top location of your visitors. So I guess that's all for today's video. And if you have any question, guys, just comment down below. And thank you for watching.